Contenders Optic Early Bird Break 3018. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 here. 12 here. Cardinals up top. Broncos at the bottom. 12 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 here, 12 here. Chris Capella up top. Joseph McLaughlin at the bottom. Let's sort them out. There's your squads. Good luck, everybody, on the bird. Let's do it. Here we go, gentlemen. Good luck. First up, Jared Goff on the base for the Lions, going to Joe Holloway. Christian Watson on the rookie ticket for the Packers. Packers to Aiden Applehans. There you go, Aiden. Cade Otton for the Buccaneers on the rookie ink. Going to Josh Stant. There you go, Josh. Daryl Green to 25. Sweet card there for Washington. Going to Terry Steck. There you go, Terry. It's a sweet looking card. 24 out of 25. Daryl Green. Blue, Lamar Jackson. For the Ravens, going to Joe Holloway. That is 33 out of 99. Last card of the break. Jerry Rice, X's and O's for the Niners. Going to Ryan Holmstrom. Recap it. Jerry Rice, Lamar Jackson to 99. Daryl Green to 25. Cade Otton and Christian Watson. That's the break, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.